Alright, this is a 2016 Impala that has a code for the emissions of P0496 for the evaporative flow. And what we're going to do is change out this solenoid right here. It's going to take a 10mm socket. That's 10mm down there. And push clip here to remove the line. Push this down, pull this off. But to make it a little easier, I'm going to take off this air cleaner assembly and get this out of my way. Now we'll be back. Okay, now here is a better view of what we're going to be doing. The light will stay on. It'll be a nice thing. Come on. Anyway, we have to disconnect this wiring connector. Right here, just by squeezing on it. And then we have our evap holes here. Push down on this clip, and this should come off just like that. Then we have a 10mm bolt right here. We're going to undo, and this will pull right out of the manifold. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to be taking this bolt out of here. Sorry if this video isn't the greatest. This is in a kind of tight area. And this will just pull right out. And there she is. Stick a new one in here. Just working with one hand here. Not a fun time. Sorry, you really can't see what I'm doing here. I can't even see what I'm doing here. You always want to hand start your bolt, otherwise you will risk cross-threading it. Snug it up, doesn't have to be super tight. Remember, it is a plastic part, and it will break. Put our line back on. Plug our connector back in. And that should be all there is to it. Put this air cleaner assembly back on here. Just like so. This job shouldn't require anything other than a straight blade screwdriver. I used a 10mm deep 1/4 inch, 6-inch 1/4 inch extension, and 3/4 inch ratchet. Hose back on. This little lock here, when you go take this off, you just take a little screwdriver and push it that way. Push down on your connector. All left to do, tighten up our air cleaner screws here, all the way around there. And that will conclude the video. If this helped you out in any way, hit the like button, subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.